Hey there. My name is LaDonna Heckard. I am a director with Farmasi, and I want to come on here and talk to you all about it. If you're not interested in it, just scroll on by. It is okay. It will not hurt my feelings. But if you are interested in an extra income because inflation is just like skyrocketed, you might want to pay attention. Okay. You don't have to go clock in anywhere. You don't have to go to a second job or a third job. This is a online home-based business you can do from anywhere. Depending on what country you're in, you could do it there too. So I'm in the United States, but you could be in Canada, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Spain, United Kingdom, Romania, Portugal, Ukraine, Malaysia, Brazil. There's so many. I got you. Okay, so this is the catalog. This is the current catalog right here. We are in March 2024. This is the current catalog, Farmasi. Over 500 products in the USA. You make 50% commission, period. You get 50% off of the products, period. There's no minimum, there's no maximum for your 50% off and your 50% earnings. Farmasi is the highest average paid, period. Go to drakesalesa.com. It's there. Okay. All right. Now, what does Farmasi have? Cosmetics, skincare, a men's line, body care, hair care, nutrition, coffee, collagen, relaxation teas, massage topical gels, sleeping sprays, a whole, and we're expanding. Okay, so that's that. NutriPlus is the nutrition line backed by FCU out of Florida, College University. Okay, now let me tell you where the money. Okay, so your first month you could make up to $750. Okay, and then after your first month, the income, it's not capped. It's a whole wide world of potential possibilities. Okay, so I can show you how you can actually obtain this with our team launch system. Okay, now this is an opportunity guide. Okay, so I can actually, these out here can actually be ordered off the back office, but when you join and you join with one of the product packs, I will actually mail these to you personally. Just conversate with me, connect with me. I am on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, LinkedIn, but I can mainly be, the best way to communicate me with is Messenger on Facebook. Okay. And if you don't have that information, that link, my link is in all my profiles, and it has all my connections there in my milkshake link. Okay, so let's talk about this opportunity link. Okay, Farmasi is family owned and operated. These are the owners right here. These are the owners. Yes. It was willed from their grandfather, and the grandfather, Dr. C. Tuna, which is the skincare line and some other hygiene line, like our toothpaste and stuff. Anyway, their grandfather started the company, and this is Emery Tuna, and this is Sinon Tuna. They run the company. Okay. Table of contents here. All right. This talks about why Farmasi, because we are global, have great customer service, innovative, global trust, and our products are amazing. Okay. You don't have to wear makeup to do this business. Okay. Hopefully you do skincare, because, we need to have our skin looking good and nice. And our nutrition is the bomb. Makes me feel so good. Anyway, it speaks for itself. It talks about the history and the legacy and the opportunity guide. Farmasi has been around the name over 70 years. So, loyalty. Talks about the numbers, got some pictures of products, and you can join for $19.99. The product packs range from $75 to $500. They're all in between. I think it's $75, $125, maybe a $200 or $250 and $500. Those are all optional. But with a product pack, you're getting 65 to 70% savings. And if you bought products individually, and you get a welcome program gift, and then you'll get these right here from me. Okay. And then maybe a little something, something. So, let's see what we got. Glossary, I'm going to show you here. Okay, so in the opportunity guide, I know you can't see it here, but this tells like how you can move up and different ways that you can earn on top of that 50% commissions. So you have personal bonuses. You have, and that's like you're getting cash back from buying your own products or having online customers. The company is paying you a percentage of that. You're getting group bonuses when you add team members join your team, and a team building bonus as well, which they're giving free products and cash away. Who loves cash? There's incentives every month. When you do a certain amount, you get free products. Okay, this is a roadmap of showing like different titles. And we have also a reward your growth. So when you just get a very, very low volume, you're going to start receiving gifts that you can claim, and it goes up and up and up all the way through. I have received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have received 7 out of the reward gifts so far. Let's see. This talks about the 10 ways to earn. So I have talked about those, which is the welcome program, online commissions, your retail 50% profit, team building bonus, personal bonus, group bonus, leadership bonuses, a car allowance, cash bonuses, and unforgettable experiences like trips. Okay. The welcome program, which is 1 to 4 months when you first start, and you get some freebies there. And then it breaks it down into those 10 ways to actually earn all through here. And then your unforgettable experiences. So, $19.99 is all it takes. And you get a free website. There's no monthly fees. There's no annual fees, anything like that. You can pop that link in wherever you want to. Let me see. Be social. You can do in-person events. It is really up to you. You run your own business. So feel free to send me a message. Feel free to comment on this right here and just comment Farmasi if you are interested. Farmasi, to know more about and more depth about the company and how this all works. I have a 2-minute video that I can send you with lots of more information and more information on those product packs, which are optional, by the way. So I'm here to help people. I'm here to help you earn that extra income, or if you're looking for tax write-offs or a community of other people or the car allowances or the trips, get with me. I can help. Once again, our team has a launch system to help you and guide you. And right now we're actually in a boot camp that 2 different top leaders are connecting that are not even on the same team. We're just one big Farmasi family that's helping each other's out. So, all right, that's it. That's all. I can't wait to hear back from you. I look forward to talking to each and every one of you. My name is LaDonna Heckard again. I'm a director with Farmasi USA.